Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch your Google account on Gemini AI. So let's get started. First, open the Gemini AI app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here, simply tap on the drop-down arrow right beside your current Google account. You can now see the other available Google accounts. Simply tap on the one which you want to switch to. And this is how you can switch your Google account on Gemini AI. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.